Hey guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to make my secret ingredient lasagna. So let me get started. Let me show you what I'm going to use. I have 6 garlic cloves, 1 onion. I have a cup of carrots, which I'm going to dice up. I have 2 celery sticks. I have oregano. I have salt, pepper, and I have this spice in there. Each one is a teaspoon each. I have a teaspoon of each in this bowl here. 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon of this, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Here I have a whole red bell pepper I'm going to use in this lasagna. I have 1 pound of ground turkey that I'm going to use. 2 stalks of celery. 1 egg. I'm going to use a cup of ricotta and a cup of sour cream. This is the cheese I'm going to use. I love this blend of cheese, so that's what I'm going to be using for my lasagna today. Back here, you will see the traditional Hunt's pasta sauce. I have 2 of those that I'm going to use. And then I have this lasagna that I love using. So I think I have mentioned all of the ingredients. I have 2 tablespoons and a half of butter that I'm going to use in the saucepan over there. So let me get started. Let me go ahead and chop up all of the small ingredients. Okay? I'm not going to show the special ingredient, the secret ingredient, until a little bit later. So keep watching. Okay, I got most of the things in here except for my red bell pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and grind this up first, just to ensure that I have enough space in this food processor. Okay, I added my bell pepper, so let me go ahead and chop this. About a half a cup of water to the food processor, so it can grind up everything. Okay, everything is looking good. The butter smells so good. That's 1 pound of ground turkey. It's cooking in that butter. It smells so good. Let me grab the spices. I love how my spices to cook in my meat here. Oh, it gives it a wonderful taste. Okay, mix that up a little bit. It smells so good in here. This turkey meat was 9% fat. There is some fat in it, so I think I'm gonna get a paper towel and kind of get some of the fat off of it. I'm not gonna take all of it off, but some of it. Okay, I drained the turkey meat, so now I'm gonna add the sauce, the bell peppers and all of that I blended up. Add that too. Okay, this is my blend of peppers and onions and garlic and all that good stuff. So let me go ahead and add it to the pan. smells good. Smell all that garlic. Okay, it's been cooking for about 8 minutes. And I'm just going to stir it up a little bit. I haven't added the tomato sauce to it yet, but I will in a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add the tomato sauce in here. Since I added some water, I might not be using the whole 2 cans. I have to check first. Okay. All right. I added 1 can of tomato sauce. I'm gonna hold the other one to the other side. I don't like my lasagna to be too moist, so I'm gonna just play it by ear, and if I need to use the rest of it. Oh, this smells so good, and it's ready. So let me assemble our dish that I'm gonna cook it in. Let me preheat the oven to 375, and we're gonna cook it for 45 minutes with the top on the lasagna, okay? I set my oven for 375 degrees, and I'm gonna bake it for 45 minutes. This is the pan I'm gonna use. The reason I'm using this pan here, I love covering my lasagna with a regular top so I can see through it. I don't have to deal with the aluminum foil or any of that. So that's what I'm using. Let me add a couple spoons of sauce at the bottom of this pan. I'm gonna add 3. That way I don't have to worry about anything sticking. Even though this is supposed to be a non-stick skillet, I have used it many, many times, so don't want anything to stick. Okay, I have the oven ready lasagna, so I'm gonna go ahead and place that in the skillet. Okay, all right, that's the first layer there. So let me get my ricotta and sour cream together. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, I'm gonna add 1 cup of sour cream. And 1 cup of ricotta. Okay, here's the 1 cup of ricotta going in. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and mix that together. Okay, I always add a little nutmeg to my lasagna, but this is not the secret ingredient, and that's about 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm gonna go ahead and add the 1 egg. Okay, there's 1 egg in there. Containers are almost too small, but I think we can make it work. Mix that up really well. Okay, and this is parsley. This is not my secret ingredient. I'll go ahead and mix that in. I'm gonna leave some so I can garnish the top of the lasagna. Okay, I'm gonna add some more sauce on the top of this. Okay, now I'm gonna add the ricotta cheese. spread that out. I'm trying to hold the camera with one hand and spread everything out. I love cooking, but I don't have a cameraman. I have to do all of this myself. So bear with me, okay? But this is an excellent lasagna. You have to try it. You have to try it. Okay. Okay, here's the Mexican blend. Now I'm gonna use my hand, and my hand is about a cup of blended cheese here, a Mexican blended cheese. Okay, that's what I'm using. Okay, well, kind of like a pizza, but it's lasagna. And this is my secret ingredient. This is spinach. I cooked it already, and I squeezed out all of the water. You want to do that. You don't want to have a real runny lasagna. But I seasoned it earlier with a little garlic and onions and just a little of a natural hot, just a little bit. Okay. Okay, here's the next layer. All right. So I'm gonna repeat what I did the first time with the ground beef, with the ground turkey, ricotta and the cheese, okay? And with the spinach, okay? I got the ground turkey on there, sauce. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the ricotta to it. A cup of blended Mexican cheese, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the spinach on top. Okay, this is the last of it. You cook about 2 cups of spinach. This is how much you're gonna get for the 2 cups. This is the third layer here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the ground beef and everything else to it, okay? I'll show you each step. Go ahead and spread it out. Okay, so you're gonna take this, spread it out, and that's the last of that. Okay, I'm gonna spread it out some more. So I'm gonna go in with a handful of cheese. That's a cup. I'm gonna go around and around. Here we go. I add a little bit more. I want to cover all of the mac. That's about another half cup. I want to cover all of the lasagna. So be nice and gooey, okay? All right, there we go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and place it in the oven for 45 minutes, and I'm gonna place the top on it. Okay, let you see. Place the top on it. That way you don't have to worry about using aluminum foil or anything like that. You just place it in the stove, in the skillet. And you can eat out of it and cover it up. It's on 375. I'm gonna go ahead and place it in the oven, okay? I took the top took the top off. I'm gonna let it cook for another 5 minutes. Okay, here it is, right out of the oven. Ooh, I don't know if I can wait for 30 minutes for this to cool down so I can eat it. I mean, it looks delicious. Smells awesome. Oh, wow. Let me go ahead and garnish it a little bit. Ooh, looks so yummy. I gotta try it. Let me get a fork. It looks so good. That is so good. Okay, go ahead.
In New York, because a lot of congressional seats actually made a big difference back in 2022.
Good.
But if it's about